Ayun o, huling-huli o sa video.
Something like that. Spectacular performance against an outmatched opponent.
Lomachenko has been building to this up in the last 3 or 4 rounds, and the body work was impeccable. That right hook in the inside of the hand.
Isa pa, ya, para ano? Para kinachap ko na to.
Kuha ka na lang, Yay.
I-serve mo na lang sa kanila. Eat natin.
Ayan po ang mga nag-aabang. Nag-aabang yan sa lechon. Mga nag-aabang sa lechon. Meron, tatlo yung ano, meron pa yan. Woot! Ano na yan? Talo-talo na yan?
Dami oh.
Malinis naman yung mga kamay nyo eh. Lucil.
Morales just sort of nodded to his father in his corner and said, "There's no point." Very much the same thing.
Alin? Which one do you like? May malalaki.
Letter.
Yan, ano dun?
What letter?